Hi, everybody. I'm going to show you how to have captions in your Zoom meetings. So, one of the things you can do is you can present a Google Slides presentation in your Zoom, and you can turn on captions. Captions are down here. You can turn them on and off. You can put them on the top. You can put them on the bottom. You can make them extra large, large, whatever size you want. I would suggest between extra large and large if you're going to be presenting on Zoom because it's going to be a little bit smaller. One of the other things you can do is I'm going to go out of full screen, and I can click through this presentation and my captions will continue to go. Now let's say you don't have a presentation. That's okay. I'm going to exit this presentation and stop talking so that my captions don't go. So this is another presentation that I made that's literally just one slide. You do not have to put anything on this slide. You can leave it blank. That's totally up to you. I just like to add a little something into mine. Now you can have this going the entire time you are on Zoom so that your students are getting captions. Now again, if you go out of full screen, what you can do is make a split screen. So let's say that I wanted to present something else, but I didn't want to lose my captions. What I can do is split my screen, and you'll have to look at your device to see how to split your screen. But if you notice, my presentation moved over to the left, and then I can pull this up and put it on the right. So now I can present this screen, but still have my captions going on the left. This is a great way to be able to keep captions going in a client like Zoom where you don't have automatic captions.